Strategic use of scripts.
Templates and predefined scripts are a blessing and a trap. A blessing because they save you a huge amount of time. A trap because if you use them exactly as they are, you will sound identical to the other 1,000 people using the same template. And attraction is based on the exact opposite, standing out. Use scripts as a starting point, never as the finish line. Personalize them with your voice, your story, and your avatar. Today you will learn how to get their speed without paying the price of sounding generic.
The script as the skeleton, you as the skin.
A good way to see it, a script, whether your own or from a template, is the skeleton of the video, the structure that holds it up. But the skeleton, by itself, connects with no one. What connects is the skin, your voice, your words, your story, your specific example. The strategy is to use the skeleton, fast and proven, and put your skin on it, unique and impossible to repeat. Same structure, different person.
The template is the skeleton. You are the skin. Without your skin, the script connects with no one. What should never be missing from a script, no matter where it comes from?
Whether it is your own script or a template, before recording it, check that it meets the pillars you already know. This is your script checklist.
How to personalize a template script in 3 steps.
If you use a predefined script, make it yours like this. Change the hook for one from your library, using the language of your avatar from your phrase file. Add an example or a mini story of your own in the development. That is what nobody can copy. Adapt the CTA to your keyword and your style. Message me energy, not a generic contact me. With these 3 adjustments, a generic script starts to sound like you and connect with your people, while keeping the speed that comes from starting with a template.
Create your own bank of scripts that work.
The long-term strategy. Every time a video performs well for you, save its script, its structure, as your own template. Over time, you will build your bank of scripts that convert, tested with your audience, which you can reuse by changing the topic. This is even more powerful than generic templates, because it is calibrated to your niche. Your best template is the one that has already worked for you.
Real example.
Marta started using template scripts, and her videos sounded correct, but impersonal, just like everyone else's. She changed her approach. She used the template only as the structure, but added her own hook.
Do you also fake a smile when you get home?
Her real mini story and her CTA, comment energy. The video kept the speed of the template, but got its soul back and started connecting and generating messages again. Same structure, her skin. That is the key.
Common mistakes.
Using template scripts exactly as they are. You sound identical to 1,000 others. You lose your differentiation. Recording a script without running it through the checklist. Make sure it has a hook, one idea, value, and a CTA. Removing your story and your voice to go faster. That is exactly what makes you different. Do not eliminate it. Not saving your scripts that work. Your best template is the one that already gave you results.
Practical advice.
Create a folder or document called Scripts That Work, and every time a video gives you good results, save its structure there. And before recording any script, whether your own or from a template, run it through the 6-point checklist from this lesson. With those 2 habits, your scripts will always be fast to produce, faithful to your voice, and built to convert. You already have strategic scripts and recorded videos. The next step is getting them out into the world in the best possible way. In the next lesson, we will look at optimized posting with WaTwo.